managing business expenses shouldn't be a headache. If you're using Expensify, you've already taken the first big step toward painless reporting. But how do you actually get those receipts into the app so you can get paid back? Today, we're breaking down the 3 quickest, most efficient ways to upload your expenses in Expensify. First up, the absolute fastest method, SmartScan using the Expensify mobile app. Open the Expensify app on your phone and hit the green plus sign at the bottom. Select New Expense and tap the camera icon. Center your receipt clearly in the frame and snap the photo. That's it. Expensify's SmartScan technology will automatically read the merchant, date, and total amount, creating a draft expense instantly. Review the details for accuracy, add a category or tag if needed, and you're good to go. Next, for your online purchases or digital receipts, emailing the receipt. Every Expensify account has a unique, dedicated email address, usually something like your name at expensify.com. When you receive a receipt via email, like from an airline or an Amazon order, simply forward that email to your dedicated Expensify address. The system will process the email, pull the necessary details, and create a new expense in your account. This is a massive time saver for keeping your digital paper trail organized. Finally, for larger uploads on your desktop, direct upload via the web app. Log into your Expensify account on a computer. Click the New Expense button and choose Import. You can now drag and drop a PDF, a picture file, or a batch of receipts directly from your hard drive into the web uploader. If you upload multiple receipts at once, Expensify will process them individually using SmartScan, turning a stack of files into distinct, ready-to-report expenses. So, whether you're on the go with a paper receipt, dealing with digital invoices, or clearing out your desktop downloads, Expensify gives you a powerful option to get those expenses logged and ready for your next report.